This is a short video to show how I installed a voltmeter on my 2008 Goldwing. I chose to use a PowerWorks digital voltmeter because of its small size and very little space behind the panel. This voltmeter can be installed directly through a 1 1/8 inch hole or with the rectangular panel and 2 screws as shown. I used a hole saw to cut a 1 1/8 inch hole through the panel. The terminals on the back of the case are clearly marked with a plus and minus, so you cannot connect the wires wrong. Since my motorcycle has the navigation package and enhanced audio package, there are very few places to mount anything on the dash. This is one of only 2 places I found with enough room behind the panel to mount the meter. The other side has a power connector, so I couldn't use that side for the voltmeter mounting. You cannot use this space near to the outside of the motorcycle to mount the voltmeter because there's not enough room behind the panel at this point. After the meter was mounted, I connected a red and black wire to the meter and ran them to the opposite sides of the motorcycle to the accessory terminals and connected them there. A quick check and it works, so I buttoned up all the panels and time for a test ride.